Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of fiddling around with shapes in Canva, dragging those corners over and over just to get the exact size you need, today's tutorial is especially for you. I'm going to show you a super quick and precise method to resize any shape in Canva to the exact dimensions you want, right down to the pixel. So by the end of this video, you'll never have to guess or eyeball your shapes again, and your designs will look cleaner and more professional every single time. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up Canva on your browser or your app, whatever's easiest for you. Once you're there, we'll start by creating a new project. Just look for the Create a Design button, which you'll usually find right at the top right of the homepage. Give that a click. Now, instead of choosing a preset template, head right over to Custom Size. This is where the magic starts because you get to decide the exact canvas size you want, rather than working with Canva's preset dimensions. For this example, let's set our custom size to 100 by 100 pixels, just to keep it simple and easy to follow. Enter 100 into both the width and height fields, and be sure you have the units set to px for pixels. If you're working in inches or centimeters for print projects, you can change that here too. Once you've entered your sizes, hit Create New Design, and Canva will open up a fresh, perfectly sized blank canvas for you. Now let's add a shape. You can do this by heading to the Elements tab on the left sidebar and picking whichever shape you need, let's say a square or a circle, but honestly any shape works for this method. Click to add it to your design. By default, Canva usually plops the shape onto your canvas at a random size, sometimes way too big or too small for what you need. You might be tempted to just grab one of the corners and drag to resize, but as you've probably noticed, it's really hard to land on the exact size you want that way. That's why we're using the precision method today. With your shape selected, take a look up at the top bar. You'll see an option called Position. It's usually up on the left. Go ahead and click on Position. This brings up the dimension and placement controls. Here, where it gets good, you'll see fields for both width and height. All you have to do is type in your exact desired length and width. For this example, I'll type 100 for both, but you can use any number you like. And that's it. Seriously, your shape will now snap exactly to those dimensions. No more endless corner dragging and hoping you've got it right. If absolute precision is important for your design, like if you're making icons, buttons, or print layouts, this little trick saves you so much hassle. Even if you don't need pixel-perfect accuracy every time, just knowing how to set a shape to the exact size you need can give you way more control over your layouts. So just to recap, open Canva, create a new custom-sized design, add your shape, click Position at the top, and type in the exact dimensions you need. Simple, fast, and super reliable. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to see more Canva tips, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy design tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.